Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Cosmic Wreath knot. Let's get started. So I'm using two ties. They're both at my left side. I'm going to come over, and they're both around the belt line area. I'm going to come over, bring both of them over, just kind of fold them in half like this. Now I'm going to bring this side of the skinny end of both of those ties across, secure it like this, and then use both of them to go around like so. And then I'm going to come up and I'm going to come over like this for both of them. So here we have it. So I'm going to throw the blue one back over here, the bottom one, and I'm going to have my skinny end of the top one come over like this, kind of create a loop with it. I'm going to come across it like this. We're going to come over it like this. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this in, I'm going to bring it through this right here, just like this. So I'm going to bring it right back down here through like so. So there we have that. Then I'm just going to come back, bring this back up like that. So now I'm going to take the bottom tie, and this is where we're going to start doing the wreath. I'm going to fold it like this, come around, and then do a wreath. And go underneath like so. And it's folded in half, going through this loop right here. Do a wreath and come across this part right here. Let me put my collar down. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a couple wreaths. We're going to have a wreath here and a wreath here going over the folded part. There you have the Cosmic Wreath right here. Got a bunch of different patterns going a bunch of different places. So to see the picture of this, go to Instagram at Simmonsessentials. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.